Hey guys, welcome to A Better Mess. I'm going to walk you guys through our project dashboard within our digital life planner. I personally love our project dashboard because you can use this for home projects, or if you're an entrepreneur, this is great for project management within your business, and you don't have to worry about paying for a monthly subscription for a project management tool like Asana, Trello, ClickUp, etc. So the cool thing about Notion and our Notion template is you buy it once, it's yours forever. So let's get into the template. So here you can add different tasks, and then once you add the tasks, you can assign a project, a due date, you can assign an alert for that due date, and you can assign the status there. And of course, all of those features are editable to your liking. Below that, we have the project section where you add the different projects that you are working on, deadlines, priority, status, etc. Below that, we have the area section. Here, you can add different areas: personal, work, school, etc. You'll name the area, assign an icon if you want, assign the type, and then below we also have a resources section. So this page is just your overview. Within the drop-down feature on the project dashboard, you will go into each individual tab where you can plan your areas, projects, and tasks. So this is the area template within the dashboard. And it's basically all of the same features that we just reviewed. But if you would like to, we pretty much just gave you that flexibility to plan it on the overview page or go into each individual tab and plan that, because I know it makes more sense to start with the areas and then go into the projects and then go into the tasks. So that's all this video is showing you: how to plan it from an individual page by page view, and then once you plan everything, you will see it all on that project dashboard overview page, which is really nice because you can see everything in one view. That is pretty much it. This video will continue to walk you guys through the project dashboard and how to use it and all the features that we've provided. And let me know if you guys have any questions. And happy planning and organizing.